Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be talking about the Arozzi Aria headphones. Now before we get started with the video, I do want to say if you do want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free and helps out the channel a lot. Well, let's get straight to the review. So now obviously I'm going to first put in a little bit of a unboxing montage, but if you do want to skip over that, I will hopefully remember to put the jump or the cuts so you can just go straight to the part you want to look at. But hope you guys enjoy the unboxing part. Okay, so let's get into the actual review of these headphones. So obviously you do have a detachable microphone, which is actually quite useful, especially if you are wanting to use the headphones just for music, for example, or if you're just wanting to have no microphone at all for your gaming experience. Now, of course, these are more of gaming headphones. As you will probably see now, it does have like a split for the audio and microphone, so that is actually quite useful, especially on which system you use and for streaming, to basically get a better edit tool if you just want to use the headphone side instead of the microphone. Now obviously the microphone is actually not too bad. If I take the cover off, you can see it has a nice look to it. It's a nice little metal bit, but it is actually quite a good quality microphone, especially for the price you are paying. But let me just put this down because we're going to get into more of the headphones. Now obviously you are paying 500 Rand for these headphones, or whatever the dollar is. I'll probably put it up right here. I didn't check out the price for the dollar with these headphones, but these headphones are actually quite good. So you have nice comfortable pads for your ears, which actually comfortably goes over your ears, which is very comfortable. You do have a nice little look to it at the band, which does have like the stitching, so it does give it a nice, more designer type of look. Now you do of course have a switch on the cable, and by the way, the cable is braided, which is actually very well done. I mean, you're paying quite a small price for these type of headphones, and they are doing so well. So you do have obviously the switch to turn off your microphone. You can adjust the volume here. But yeah, this is a very long cable. I think it's 2.2 meters, something like that. But then we also have the bits here that you guys obviously just saw now. And they do include a little cap for the aux cable itself. Now if I had to review or give my rating on these headphones, I'll say they are probably an 8 out of 10 for the price you're getting. Because the bass that you get with these headphones are I'll say they're very good actually. Good audio, good feel, definitely a good option to go for if you're on a budget for your gaming setup, or just wanting to get a good headset that is a bang for your buck. But otherwise, that's my rating for it. It's a very good headset. I do want to say thank you to EvenTech for choosing me to win the giveaway that included this headset. So I do want to give a huge thanks to them. But otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. If you do want to help the channel even more, you can go to rogueenergy.com and use my code EagleStudios to get 10% off your purchase. Otherwise, have a great day. See you guys next video and be safe. Bye.